So guys, the Ekraft Geeks are back with a new video. Gas and smoke detector interface with Arduino UNO. List of components required: Arduino UNO, Arduino UNO USB cable, smoke detector, buzzer, jumper wires, green LED, white LED, and breadboard. MQ gas sensor is an electronic sensor used for sensing the concentration of gases in the air, such as LPG, propane, methane, hydrogen, alcohol, smoke, and carbon monoxide. This sensor contains a sensing element, mainly aluminum oxide based ceramic coated with tin dioxide enclosed in a stainless steel mesh. Sensing element has 6 connecting legs attached to it. 2 leads are responsible for heating the sensing element, the other 4 are used for output signals. The analog output voltage provided by the sensor changes in proportion to the concentration of smoke or gas. The greater the gas concentration, the higher is the output voltage, while lesser gas concentration results in low output voltage. These sensors are used to detect the presence of gases in the air, such as methane, butane, LPG, and smoke. But they are unable to distinguish between the gases, thus, they cannot tell which gas it is. Now, to calibrate the gas sensor, you can hold the gas sensor near smoke or gas you want to detect and keep turning the potentiometer until the red LED on the module starts glowing. Turn the screw clockwise to increase the sensitivity or anti-clockwise to decrease the sensitivity. The comparator on the module continuously check if the analog pin A0 has hit the threshold value set by the potentiometer. When it crosses the threshold, the digital pin DO will go high and signaled LED turns on. This setup is very useful when you need to trigger an action when a certain threshold is reached. For example, when the smoke crosses the threshold, you can turn on or off a relay or instruct your robot to blow air sprinkler water. You got the idea? So guys, here we go with the connection of Arduino with smoke detector. So guys, here we go with the connection part. This is our Arduino board where you can see over here, these are the power pins, these are for analog and these are for digital. This is our sensor, smoke detector sensor, where you can see over here there's a potentiometer from which we can set the threshold value. This IC is comparator IC LM239. Here are the power LEDs and here are the output LEDs and here are some voltage regulators. It has 4 pins. The first one is for the analog, second one is for digital, third one is for ground, and the fourth one is for VCC. This is our buzzer. We have also 2 LED lights. One is green and other one is white, and jumper wires and breadboard. So here we go with the connection part. So first we'll connect the pins for the smoke detector. We'll be connecting this smoke detector in analog mode. So the second pin, which is the digital pin, is not required. So we won't use the second pin. So the first pin, the analog pin, will get connected to A5 over here. Then this is the VCC pin. This green wire is the VCC. So it will get connected over here, plus 5 volts. And this is the ground pin, so we can connect just below that. So yeah, we connected the sensor. Now we'll connect the LED. So for that we need this breadboard. So it has two pins. Everyone knows the longer one is the positive one and the shorter one is the ground pin. So we'll connect like this, two LEDs. And we'll make them short. See, the ground pin will get connected to this line, which is the minus line. So we'll connect this ground pins over here. The ground pin for green will also get connected over here only, near the minus line, and we'll also connect the buzzer ka ground pin here only, like this. And now we'll connect all the ground pins, we'll short them, and we'll connect this pin over here. We have one ground pin over here also, so we can connect it over here. So we have connected that properly. Now we'll connect the buzzer to pin number 7, which is over here. We have connected the buzzer also, and now we'll connect the green LED. No, first we'll connect the white LED to pin number 2. And we'll connect this green LED to pin number 3. So yeah, we did the connection, as you all can see. So guys, here we head on to our coding part, where our first line we have initialized the white LED to pin number 2. The second line I have initialized the green LED to pin number 3. The third line I have initialized my buzzer to pin number 7. And the fourth line I have initialized my smoke detector to analog pin number 5. Then I have also initialized my threshold to 700. In void setup, I have told that my smoke detector is my input, and rest all the things like white LED, green LED and buzzer act as an output. In void loop, it basically tells that my smoke detector will give us the output in analog. It will read in analog and it will print this line, pin A0, and whatever the analog output is there, it will be printed just after pin A0. And we have set an if-else statement, which basically tells that if the analog sensor value is greater than the threshold value, then the white LED will be high and the green LED will be low, which means the smoke is detected and the buzzer will make sound. And if it's not true, then the white LED will be low and the green LED will be high, and the buzzer will not make any sound. And we have set a delay to 1000. Now we are just gonna go and upload this code to our Arduino board. See, it's uploading. And yes, uploading is done. Now we are gonna check for our output. So guys, we have uploaded our code to our Arduino board, and as you can see now the green LED is glowing, and it basically means that smoke is not detected. And if the white LED starts glowing and the buzzer will make some sound, that means smoke is detected. And you can see the buzzer is also working properly. So we'll check for the output now. See, this means smoke is detected, which means it's working properly. So it basically tells that our project is working properly. So guys, I hope you liked our video. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.